how do you develop a groove?
I'm going to ask Marcus that question. I'm not about to answer that question in front of Marcus Miller. Well, guys, this is how I do it. Don't worry about him.
Man, I have no idea how you do it. But whatever you do, you got to commit to it. How about that? You know, some guys, they come up with a bass line and then halfway through they change it, and they change it again. And a lot of it is just commitment, right? So we were doing, now it's going to get better right now. Check it out. Got better, right? I didn't change anything. If I do it again, it's going to be even better. Oh, shucks. Come on, yo. Add. And if you add something, make sure you get back to the beat quick.